Hey everybody, welcome to another short tutorial brought to you by, me, Hannah. And for today's video, I am going to show you how to add a background to your camera. So the very first thing that you're gonna have to do is to make sure that your camera is open. All you have to do is click on Invite Student and just make sure that your camera is open. Well, hello there. Okay, so it seems like I already have a background, but in order to see the settings for that, just head on over to the device settings, and that's the wheel right here. So click on that and then go straight to video background options. Now, there's this many options that we have here. We have the blur effect. So you click on this if you want this like less blurs. As you can see, my background is not totally covered. You can still see the tulips, yellow tulips behind me and my curtain. I am not proud of my curtain, by the way. And we have here is more blur. So this completely covers what's behind me. And also we have this background images brought to you by our amazing technical team. We have the underwater theme, the galaxy theme, and we also have the superhero theme. It's so cute. And this one, there you go. There's little cute koalas behind me. And there's also a feature or a setting where you can upload your very own image, perhaps a brand photo of your company. Well, personally, I love daisies, so I'm going to upload daisies as my background. It just takes a few seconds. So click on that and ta-da! There you have it. I now have beautiful daisies as my background. And also you get the chance to delete this background, or if you don't want anything behind you, just click on no effects and it's just gonna go away right away. Okay, and then if you want to delete the photos that you uploaded, just click on this little trash bin icon. There you have it. It's super easy, super quick. I think your student can also do this on their own, but if you do have any other question, just don't hesitate to reach out through the help button, and that is right here on this corner. So I hope this helps. Bye!